Today, I want to share some tips on how to make women feel comfortable talking to you. This tips is so powerful and came from a friend who had fair share of conversations with people from all walks of life in 30 different countries. In the real world, you will have this ability for making people instantly feel at ease. Whether it's a beautiful girl, an elder, a peer, a senior, a junior, or even a kid, most people will feel like they've known you for ages after just one conversation. They open up, share their stories, and feel a sense of relief, motivation, and happiness. And guess what? They always want to meet up again for another chat. So, how do you do it? Well, it's a combination of natural ability to motivate others and the experience from professional psychologists. And here's the best part. These tips aren't just for impressing girls. They can be used to make friends, build relationships, network, or simply improve your communication skills in general. All right, let's dive into the tips. Number 1, put your phone down. First things first, avoid using your phone while talking to someone no matter what the reason may be. I know it's tempting, but trust me, 99% of people are guilty of this nowadays. Even adults and parents can't resist checking their notifications while having a conversation. But here's the thing, when we're talking to someone and they're constantly glancing at their phone, it makes us feel unimportant and unheard. So by simply not using your phone during a conversation, you'll already stand out from the crowd. But what if the other person is on their phone? Well, just let it be. They'll eventually realize that it's rude and put their phone away. Number 2, show genuine interest. Next, treat the person you're talking to as the most interesting person in the world at that moment. Ask them questions that genuinely within their interest. Pour your attention onto them. Make them feel special. Show them that you want to learn more about them, you want to learn from them, and that you want to make them happy chatting with you. It's important to approach the conversation as a psychologist, not a journalist. Let them talk about what they're comfortable with and avoid asking judgmental or negative questions. For example, if you're talking to someone who smokes, don't bring up the negative effects of smoking. Instead, talk about their hobbies, favorite sports, or anything that brings them joy. Number 3, use their name. Using someone's name during a conversation is like music to their ears. If you say their name, their focus and attention will fully return to you. It grabs their attention and makes them feel respected and valued. So if you're talking to someone you've just met, make sure you truly catch and remember their name, then try to mention it 3 or 4 times in the conversation. Number 4, ask about things you know she's better at than you. Women always love it when they feel smarter or more skilled than the person they're speaking to. This boosts their ego, makes them more comfortable, prevents them from feeling inferior, and ensures she's not intimidated by you. If you know she's particularly skilled or knowledgeable in a certain area, even more so than you, don't hesitate to ask her about it. If she's wearing a Marvel-themed shirt or accessory, dive into a conversation about it. Ask her about her favorite Marvel characters, story arcs, or movies, and what makes them special to her. If she's a fitness enthusiast and you notice she's in great shape, ask her about her workout routines or any tips she might have. If she's mentioned she's from California or has any connection to the place, show genuine interest by asking her to share her favorite spots or experiences from there. The main point is to give her a chance to feel smarter than you. Don't always try to appear smarter than her. This is proven by psychological theory. By letting someone else teach or explain something to you, a bond, connection, and stronger trust are built between you and them. Number 5, repeat and acknowledge. Repeating and acknowledging what she says is crucial. It shows that you're actively listening and that her words matter to you. This lets her know you were listening, and it will make her feel valued. Smile and engage with her stories. Don't just sit there silently smiling. You can make her to feel that what she's saying is interesting. One way is by repeating her explanation. Number 6, be comfortable with yourself. To make her comfortable, you need to be comfortable with yourself. If you're feeling nervous, insecure, fidgety, or unable to maintain eye contact, it will make her feel uneasy too. So, how do you become comfortable? Practice. Engage in conversations with different people, starting with small talk with shopkeepers, cashiers, and so on. If you suddenly feel nervous, just pay and leave. Here's another bonus tip. How can you make sure that when you're talking to someone, especially a girl, she becomes comfortable with you, but not too comfortable to the point that you end up being friend-zoned? The key is, don't chat with her too frequently. Keep yourself busy. If she wants to chat with you, she needs to set a time in advance. This approach not only avoids the friend zone and excessive comfort, but it also makes the person feel that the time spent chatting with you is special and needs to be scheduled. Initially, you might come across as hard to reach or a bit arrogant, but when you do talk, you're very humble, low-key, and can make the other person feel special. This strategy is super effective. There you have it, the positive psychology techniques that can help you connect with the women you like on a deeper level. Remember these and practice on a daily basis when you make conversation. If you want to learn more about the art of influencing people through conversation, subscribe to the channel and find out another bomb content from us to help you become the high-value men. I'll see you on the next one.